Welcome to the Ingredients Kitchen Tour. I'm Georgina and I'm going to be your first tour guide today. I'm really excited to show you around. Let's go and get kitted up. The Ingredients Kitchen is where we combine industry-leading science, automation and expertise in testing, as well as storing and blending to deliver the world's finest dry pet food ingredients. So let's start our journey in the control room with Rosalind.
I am Ruslan's Ingredients Kitchen process leader and welcome to Control Room. The whole of the Ingredients Kitchen is monitored and controlled from a central location. I have minimal staff for a precise, efficient and continuous operation. This ensures we meet our partners' standards and production needs. To manage, monitor and control every part of the Ingredients Kitchen, we developed our own IT software called Genesis. The Genesis screens are located around the site. All are touchscreen and require a card to operate, so you know who has access to it. That's it in control room. Now back to Georgina in bulk intake.
Welcome to bulk intake. This is where our dry bulk ingredients enter into our ingredients kitchen. Rice, wheat and barley pass through the intake behind me, which contains two magnets to detect and extract any metal. Our automated sampling happens at this point. The second intake is for pallets and totes. The same testing procedure happens at this point. All of our results are uploaded to the Genesis system. All of our ingredients are fully traceable from source. No ingredient enters our ingredients kitchen without undergoing 48 hours of testing in our on-site labs. I'll now hand you over to Maya in our lab.
Hi, I'm Maya and I'm working in Ingredients Kitchen Labs. We have 4 on-site labs at GA, giving our partners peace of mind and competitive advantage in the marketplace. Here in the labs, we provide unrivaled quality for our partners to ensure only the freshest ingredients for your recipes. I will now hand you back downstairs to Georgina in the pantry.
After being released from quarantine, our dry bulk ingredients are stored above the ballroom. Smaller ingredients enter in through our ingredients intake and taken here to the pantry to be stored. Here in the pantry, we manage the safe storage of all our ingredients in a controlled environment, managing efficient stock planning and rotation so that every ingredient is at optimum freshness. Using RFID tracking, we can track the ingredients around the whole of the GA site. To transfer the boxes from our pantry to our weighers, we use automation. I'll now hand you over to Bethan to introduce you to Henry.
Thanks, Georgina. In the Ingredients Kitchen, there are 4 Henrys, all named after an inspirational historic Henry. Henry is designed and engineered for GA by an American technology company. Henry is in control of transporting red containers from the pantry to the pick and mix area. Our Henrys keep each other alive by changing each other's batteries. When recharging batteries, Henry moves to a keep alive zone so he can maintain power whilst another Henry replaces his battery with a fully charged one. Henry is a reliable and productive addition to the GA team. Pete will now show you the different weighing methods we have at GA.
Depending on the ingredient type, we have 3 methods of weighing. We have bulk weighing, automated weighing and hand weighing. Ensuring that all ingredients are weighed correctly increases accuracy and avoids error, ensuring your recipe is of the highest standards. Throughout the Ingredients Kitchen, we are seeking to move as close to perfection as we can. This system enables us to know with confidence that each weighment is precise. So here we are in the heart of the Ingredients Kitchen. This area is called the Ballroom. Called the Ballroom because the batch containers look like they are dancing. The containers move around collecting ingredients from the intakes above. Here you can see the investment in automation. This is where our three weighing methods come together. After the Ballroom, the ingredients are sent to the top of the building and are then sent through the mixers, the sieves and the grinders. This creates a fine powder which is then sent through to the production to be later mixed with the fresh meats. To take the mixture to production, we use Arthur. Here's Bethan to introduce you.
We have 4 Arthurs at GA. Arthurs take the batch containers towards the station for their departure for production. Arthur is heavier than his brother Henry, weighing in at 2,500 kilograms. He is also slowest of the two, travelling up to 1.8 metres per second.
The batch containers are then loaded onto a camel and taken down to production. GA's camels are Europe's first outdoor automated guided vehicle. Designed and built in America, they can travel up to 1 metre per second down GA's heated roadway towards production. The camel makes its way down to production where it enters pre-extrusion. The dry mixture is then transported into extrusion to be made into pet food. The finished products are brought back down towards the ingredients kitchen on a mule. At GA, we have 3 mules shuttling back and forth between the ingredients kitchen and production. Once the mule docks, the blue finished container is then taken to the larder for storage. To fully support partners in every way we can, we store their products free of charge here in the larder. When our partners require it, the blue finished container is taken out of the larder, put on a shuttle and taken off to packing. So that's it for a virtual tour. I really hope you've enjoyed it and I look forward to seeing you on site very soon.